Welcome to MANOJ TUTOR YouTube channel. Today we are going to see about 11th standard lesson 1 book back answers. First one mark. First generation computers used option A vacuum tubes. Name the volatile memory. Option C RAM. Identify the output device. Option C monitor. Identify the input device. Option B mouse. Fifth question. Dash output device is used for printing building plan. Option B plotter. Sixth question. Which one of the following is used to in ATM machines? Option A touchscreen. Seventh question. When a system restarts, which type of booting is used? Option A warm booting. Eighth question. Expand post. Option C power on self test. Ninth question. Which one of the following is the main memory? Option B RAM. Which generation of computer used ICs? Option C third. Next move to section B. What is a computer? Page number 4. In page number 4, below figure 1.1, a computer is an electronic device. அதிலிருந்து saves it for future use. This is first 2 mark answer. Then second 2 mark, distinguish between data and information. Page number 4. In page number 4, left side second paragraph. Data is defined. அதில் ஆரம்பிச்சு processing. இது வரைக்கும் first point. For example, 134, 16 Kavida C are data. Second point. In information is a collection of data. அதில் ஆரம்பிச்சு 6th line information வரைக்கும் first point. For example, Kavita is 16 years old. அப்படிங்கிறது second point. இதுதான் second 2 mark உடைய answer. We move to third 2 mark. What are the components of a CPU? Page number 5. In page number 5, left side 1.5.2, second paragraph. The CPU இருந்து and memory unit. இந்த 3 line third 2 mark. Next we move to fourth 2 mark. What is the function of an ALU? Page number 5. In page number 5, left side part 1.5.2.1. The ALU is a part of the CPU. அதில் ஆரம்பிச்சு 6th line and logical operations. அது வரைக்கும் fourth 2 mark. Then we move to fifth 2 mark. Write the functions of control unit. Page number 5. In left side part 1.5.2.2 control unit. The control unit controls அதில் ஆரம்பிச்சு last operations of a computer. அது வரைக்கும் fifth 2 mark. Next we move to sixth 2 mark. What is the functions of memory? Page number 5. In page number 5, left side part last line 1.5.4 last line. The primary memory is used. Here we strike out the primary மட்டும் strike out பண்ணிருங்க. அதிலிருந்து the primary memory is used. அதில் ஆரம்பிச்சு to temporarily store the memory and data when the instructions are ready to execute. இது வரைக்கும் 6th 2 mark. Next we move to 7th 2 mark. Differentiate input and output unit. Input unit, page number 4, right side part 1.5.1. input unit is used to அதில் ஆரம்பிச்சு அது first processing வரைக்கும் first point, example அப்படிங்கிறது second point, example keyboard mouse அப்படிங்கிறது second point. இது வந்து input unit. Next output unit, page number 5, left side part 1.5.3 and output unit அதில் ஆரம்பிச்சு understandable form அது வரைக்கும் first point, example printer monitor இது வந்து second point. இதுதான் வந்து 7th 2 mark. Next we move to 8th 2 mark, distinguish primary and secondary memory, page number 5. Already we marked 6th 2 mark, page number 5, left side 1.5.4, the primary memory. Already we strike out the primary memory, but here we include the primary, that word, primary word. The primary memory is used to temporarily store the program and data when the instructions are ready to execute. இது வந்து primaryக்கு first point, 8th 2 mark first point. Second point is the primary is volatile, that is the content is lost when the power supply is switched off. இது வந்து second point. Third point, the random access memory is an example of main memory. இது வந்து third point. Then we move to secondary memory. The secondary memory is store the data permanently. இது first point. Second point, the secondary memory is non-volatile, that is the content is unavailable even after the power supply is switched off. இது வரைக்கும் second point. Third point, hard disk, CD-ROM and CD-ROM, DVD-ROM are example of secondary memory. இது வந்து third point. இதுதான் வந்து 8th 2 mark. We move to next part, section C, short answers. What are the characteristics of a computer? We write down the first 3 mark answer. The characteristics of a computer are speed, accuracy, diligence, versatility, storage capacity. Speed, work at an incredible speed. Accuracy, computers are also accurate. Errors that may occur can almost be attributed to human error. Diligence, unlike human beings, computers are highly consistent. Versatility, computers are capable of performing different tasks such as railway reservation, hotels, etc. Storage capacity, can store large volumes of data. This is the answer for first 3 mark question. Next we move to second question. Write the applications of computer. Page number 1. In page number 1, third line. In before we include computers are used in various fields like. In before we include computers are used in various fields like education, research, travels and tourism, weather forecasting, social networking, e-commerce, etc. This is the answer for second 3 mark question. Next we move to third question. What is an input device? Give 2 example. Page number 4. In page number 4, right side 1.5.1. Already we marked 7th 2 mark. Similar as it is the answer for third 3 mark question. Input unit is used to feed any form of data to the computer which can be stored in the memory unit for further processing. Example keyboard, mouse, etc. Next we move to fourth 3 mark question. Name any 3 output devices. Page number 8 and 9. First one, monitor. Second one, plotter. Third one, printer. Fourth one, speakers. Fifth one, multimedia projectors. These are the answer for fourth 3 mark question. Next we move to fifth 3 mark question. Differentiate optical and laser mouse. The difference between optical mouse and laser mouse. First point is uses light source in optical mouse, uses laser light in laser mouse. Second point, it has 2 or 3 buttons in optical mouse. It has as many as 12 buttons and can be programmed by user in laser mouse. Third point, less sensitive in optical mouse, high sensitive in laser mouse. Fourth point, less sensitive towards surface in optical mouse, able to work on any hard surface in laser mouse. This is the answer for fifth 3 mark question. Next we move to sixth 3 mark question. Sixth 3 mark question. Write short note on impact printers. Number 8. Page number 8. In right side page, impact printers. This printers print அதில் இருந்து wire or pin. Impact printersல this printers அதில் இருந்து அதுக்கு அடுத்து third paragraphல pins அது வரைக்கும். Next அதிலே இதில் இன்னொரு point என்ன அப்படின்னா last point, the printing speed of this printers varies from 32,550 cps. அது வரைக்கும் இதில் ஒரு point. Next line printers used a fixed அதில் ஆரம்பிச்சு a page wide line of dots. Third lineல அது வரைக்கும் மார்க் பண்ணிக்கங்க. Next last word, the printers are capable of printing thousands lines per minute resulting in thousands of pages per hour. இது வரைக்கும் மார்க் பண்ணிக்கங்க. Sixth 3 mark question. Next we move to seventh 3 mark question. Write the characteristics of sixth generation. In page number 3, left side part 1.3, in the sixth generation. அதிலிருந்து lost language. இது வரைக்கும் third 3 mark question. Next we move to eighth 3 mark question. Write the significant features of monitor. Page number 8. In page number 8, left side output device அதில் மானிட்டர்ல இருந்து அந்த paragraph end built-in video card அது வரைக்கும் 8th 3 mark. Next we move to 5 mark question. First 5 mark, explain the basic concepts of a computer with a neat diagram. Page number 4. In page number 4, left side part 1.5, the computer is the combination of இதில் ஆரம்பிச்சு right side program or instruction, let's இது ஃபுல்லா இந்த ஃபிகர் 1.3 கண்டிப்பாக ட்ரா பண்ணணும். நெக்ஸ்ட் 1.5.1 இது ஃபுல்லாக. நெக்ஸ்ட் 1.5.2 ஃபுல்லாக. 1.5.2.1 1.5.2.2 1.5.3 1.5.4 இது ஃபுல்லாக. பேஜ் நம்பர் 5ல ரைட் சைடில் 1.5.5க்கு மேலே மெமரி வரைக்கும். இதுதான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் 5 மார்க். Then we move to next 5 mark, second 5 mark. Discuss the various generations of computers. Page number 1. In page number 1, we have one box in below 1.2. So in the box full of பேஜ் நம்பர் 3ல அந்த பாக்ஸ் முடியுது. டேபிள் 1.1 அது வரைக்கும் செகண்ட் 5 மார்க் கொஸ்டின். Then we move to third 5 mark question. Explain the following of A. Inkjet printer, B. Multimedia projector, C. Barcode/QR code reader. A. Inkjet printer. Page number 9. Left side partல inkjet printers அப்படின்னு ஆரம்பிக்குது. கீழே அதில் ஆரம்பிச்சு மேலே ரைட் சைடில் they use the technology every second. கடைசியில் ஸ்பீக்கர்ஸ்க்கு மேலே சிங்கிள் செகண்ட் அது வரைக்கும் எவரி சிங்கிள் செகண்ட் வரைக்கும். தேர்ட் 5 மார்க்கில் ஏ பார்ட். தென் மூவ் டு பி பார்ட். அதே பேஜில் கீழே மல்டிமீடியா ப்ரொஜெக்டர்ஸ் அதில் ஆரம்பித்து கிளாஸ் ரூம்ஸ் வரைக்கும். இதுதான் பி ஆப்ஷன். நெக்ஸ்ட் மூவ் டு சி ஆப்ஷன். பேஜ் நம்பர் 7. In left side part we have barcode/QR code reader. A barcode reader அதில் ஆரம்பிச்சு proceed to interpret the image. Third question C part ஓட answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Press bell button for upcoming videos. Thank you.